Hey, hello everyone. So today we will look into a use case where we want to rename all the files in a folder. This may be a case where we just came back from a tour from, let's say, Singapore or Hong Kong, and we find that over a period of time all the file names look similar, and it becomes very difficult for us to identify the photographs are from which location and all. Or let's say it's a video, or you say any generic files. So uh, what happens usually is we end up trying to rename individual files. So there is a quick shortcut to do that, and let me demonstrate that. Let me open Windows Explorer. So to open a Windows Explorer, you can press the Windows key and the E at the same time, and the Explorer application opens. So here is a folder. There are some photographs here, lot of images. Okay. Now, if I want to rename this, let's say these photographs are from session. Let's say this was a daycare session, or let's say I was in Singapore. So all I will do is select all these files. So you can press, Control A, Control plus A to select all the files, or you can, individually select files, or you can, click one of the files. Just click it, press shift, and then click at a different location. It will just select all those files. If you want to select individual files, click on a file, press control, and then click those individual files. Okay, so different ways to select the files. If you have enabled this checkbox thing, you can click on this checkbox also, and you can select all the files. All right, so once you have selected the files which you want to rename in one shot, all you have to do is right click, click here on rename, and then you can type it like, let's say these are from Singapore to December 2017, and I will press enter, and that's it. So it renamed all the files, and then it also did a beauty here is it adds an index, so the files are been numbered, and that is one of the advantages of using it this way. Okay, if you want to keep the file name as is, so let's say these are the original file names, I want to keep it as is. All I will do is, instead of changing the whole thing, I will just add something like that is, um, let's say I will say edited. Okay, and enter it. Now what it will do is, it has done a post fix here, so it just added edited automatically. Okay, so it didn't add the index key specifier. So what Windows does is it identifies whether the file names are unique or not based on this index parameters, and then it automatically decides whether to add that indexing or not. So this is one of the easiest way to rename the files. I hope this was useful for you guys, and thank you very much for watching this. Please feel free to subscribe the channel to get such tips and reviews. Have a nice day.